In this video, I'm snowboarding down the Skyline Trail, a blue trail at Suicide Six. It's a nice blue trail, and on this day, the conditions were good with a nice layer of snow on it. I'm going to focus on connecting my heel side and toe side turns onto my snowboard. I'll also fit in a few ground spins now and then to keep things fun. Suicide Six is a ski resort based in Pomfret, Vermont, near Woodstock, Vermont. It's owned by the Woodstock Inn. It was really convenient for us since we visit Woodstock often as a family, and it's only an 8-minute drive from Woodstock. There are many restaurants, stores, and activities in Woodstock, so I highly recommend visiting Woodstock and the Suicide Six. It has an interesting history. It claims to be the first ski resort founded in 1934. Someone had set up a rope tow to bring skiers to the top of a small hill there. The rope tow was actually powered by an old Ford Model T. Soon after that, a former Dartmouth ski coach named Bunny Bertram took over the operations and improved the ski resort, developing a nearby hill which he called Hill Number 6. He had joked that to ski down that hill would be suicide, so that's where it got its name, Suicide 6. In 1961, the ski resort was later sold to Lawrence Rockefeller, who was developing areas nearby in Woodstock, including the Woodstock Inn, and that's why the inn owns Suicide 6. Development continued to the ski resort, and it continued to grow over the next couple years. I read that the first National Snow Surfing Championship was actually held here in 1982, which helped in the development of snowboarding. That's really cool since I love snowboarding, and it's 2020, and right now I'm snowboarding on Suicide 6. So this is Bunny Boulevard. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please click like, comment, or subscribe. If you've been to Suicide 6, share any comments or tips below. I have other snowboarding videos on my channel. Thanks.